Good afternoon, dear students. I'm your English teacher, Dildora Artikova, the teacher of English language and literature department. So in our today's lesson, we will speak about megacities. So, what is megacity? So let's talk about the term megacity itself. The term megacity refers to a metropolitan area with a total population of over more than 10 million people. So megacity is very large city. Okay, here there is a list of some megacities. Now there are nearly 50 megacities in the world, and some examples are here. First is Tokyo, the city of Tokyo, which is situated in Japan, with nearly 14 million population. And also, in our list we have Delhi, India, Shanghai, which is situated in China, with 25 million population, New York City, with more than 23 million population, and Mexico City. Okay, now let's get introduced with some useful words and phrases related to the topic. So the first is urbanization. What is it? You know that urbanization is a process by which towns and cities are formed and become larger as more and more people begin living in such kind of areas. So example is given here. Taiwan's small size and heavy urbanization causes problems. Okay, so the next word we have is infrastructure, the word infrastructure. So what is infrastructure? Infrastructure is the basic facilities or installations that help government or community run, including roads, schools, banks, railway stations, and so on. So example given here is more money is needed to maintain the city's infrastructure. Next word here is the word skyscraper. So dear students, you use this word very often, quite often in your speech. So what is skyscraper? This is very tall, modern city building. So you know that in the world today, Burj Khalifa is the tallest skyscraper which is situated in the city of Dubai. Okay. Next is inhabitant. So inhabitant, the word population can be synonym to the word inhabitant. That this is one of the people who live in a particular territory. So example sentence is Copenhagen has about 140 million inhabitants. The next word is dense. So dense is adjective, you know. So made of or containing a lot of things or people that are very close together. So Britain has particular problem because of dense population. The next word is traffic jam. So the word traffic congestion can also be used instead of this. This is a situation in which a long line of vehicles on a road have stopped moving or are moving very slowly. So there is an example. We were stuck in a traffic jam on the freeway for 2 hours. The next word is cosmopolitan. So, cosmopolitan place, so the word can be used towards describing places. So, cosmopolitan place has people from many different parts of the world. Example given here is, the thing I like most about living in London is that it is so cosmopolitan. Okay, so, dear students, now we have speaking questions for you to discuss. So while reading these questions, you have to prepare your answer, and then you have to send me your you should record your voice and then send it from the Moodle platform. So the questions are, why do so many people want to live in city? Which is the biggest city you have ever been to? Did you like it? What did you do there? Do you live in a city? Why? Which is better, to live in a city or to live in countryside? Why? Why are urban areas generally crowded? Okay. So, next activity we have is reading. So, there is given a text here. You have to read this text carefully, and then we have several activities about the text. So, one of them is true-false activity. So, we have 5 sentences here, but in your Moodle platform, there are 10 sentences. So you should read them and mark as true or false. Okay, dear students, also in Moodle platform you have listening activity. You are going to do listening activity, and also one video we have, which I think is going to be very useful for you. So don't forget to do all the tasks and activities based on our today's lesson, and then send all your responses through Moodle platform. Thank you for your attention.